Hi everyone, in this video I have something new to unbox and share with you. Vivacé gifted me with this wig, so without further ado, let's check it out. The wig style that they sent me is their Essential Unit 10 in the color Mr. Chocolate. This is a lace front wig with a hand-tied lace, and you can heat up this baby up to 400 degrees. And guess what? A full YouTube video review is on the way, so stay tuned for that. This wig is definitely giving me Beyonce vibes, so let's find out about it, okay? She is out of the package. Here we go. I low-key look like Little Kim. Alright, so I have the wig on. So you all tell me what you think about this wig. Again, this wig is called Vivacé by Kiss Xceptional Essential Unit number 10. Stay tuned for the full YouTube video review. You know I got you. Be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more wig reviews. Bye!